Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda, hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2020 Honda Jazz EX. Now of course this is finished in crystal red and you do get full LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lights and of course full front parking sensors. You've then also got these brilliant 16-inch alloy wheels as well, of which I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern. But coming round to the rear now, we've got 4 rear parking sensors. We've also got a reversing camera just up at the top there as well. Then into the tailgate, we've got plenty of room in here, including a protective boot floor. Then walking back out and around, just showing you the rear of the car. Because this is a lighter in colour, you do get the darker interior with part cloth grey and then black leather. You get full electric automatic windows all around, full keyless entry and start. Then you also get your electric handbrake with brake hold. You then also have your economy mode just here as well. Then we've got your CVT gearbox in the middle, climate control in the front with 2 front heated seats. We've then on the left hand side got a nice little bit of additional storage. Then onto the screen itself, as you can see, just on here we have then got your satellite navigation. We've got your various sources up here in the top right, as you can see across the screen now. We've then also got Bluetooth, hands-free and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto functionality. Then we've also got your volume, voice assistant, track select on the left hand side. The return button, home button and bezel does control the onboard computer. Then on the right hand side, we've got your speed limiter, cruise control, lane keep assist and distance control with your heated steering wheel button just below. We've got 4 automatic headlights and windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this car has done 25,676 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Jazz EX, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.